Hey guys, so I don't even know. Today I'm just doing another daily vlog, and right now we're about to go into this bakery. There's like a lot of stuff in there. I should have deleted some stuff off my SD card, but love that for me. So we just got some stuff from the bakery, and we're walking over here to this restaurant. It's like little huts and stuff that they make different things in. It's kind of cool. You see the mountains in the background, and here's another little hut too. Like you can look down in there, and like they should be making stuff in the windows, like little chimney and stuff. See, like they're making stuff in there. Another one. That's like cooking classes going in there, but this is like the restaurant. So I got this cinnamon roll type caramel glaze thing that we really like. We used to get these at Okinawa all the time. They're so good. And I don't know what this drink is yet. I think it's like passion fruit. Is it passion fruit?
More like,
Cranberry?
I think it might be passion fruit. It's good, whatever it is. Wait till you get to the coffee, I like that.
That tastes like pomegranate. But this is what I got.
Wipe your hands.
Try this.
Like daddy. We ain't get no silverware plate. Don't we go down there and get some plates for silverware?
Imagine a huge cinnamon toast crunch. That's good. It's so good. It's like covered in caramel and like cinnamon, but this piece is stuck in the back of my tooth. It's good though. It's like a big piece of bread. It's kind of hard, but it's really good though.
Hold on, let's
Caramely and crunchy. Tasty. This is what it looks like outside.
Piece of chocolate.
There's like a train over there that runs by. I didn't run by right now. But that's where we're at. My mom went to go get like some pizza because her pizza here is really good. So we'll see whenever we get that. So it's raining out here. We just got done eating. It was chaotic in there. Like a whole bunch of people just came out of nowhere. Hold on. Yes, like this. Yeah, a whole bunch of people came in there and it was chaotic. There was a lot of people and stuff. So I just got my food, ate, and just was quiet or whatever. So then look, like someone came out here with a freaking Porsche, but look at the scenery. We have like a little garden house back here, like huge plants and stuff. Just got done eating. I think we're gonna go to some market or something like that after here, but I'm not too sure. So we're gonna be doing to do that, and then yeah, I think we have to go back home to get something, and then we can go. But it's all good. So we got our stuff. This is our baked goods. The poison, basically. And yeah, I'll update you guys whenever we make it to the next destination. It literally took us forever to find this market, and it's freaking raining out here. I love it for me. It's like out here. It literally took us forever to find this. Literally. It was not this, and it's raining out here, so we're just going to it at this point. Luckily, I don't have anything done to my hair, so I don't really care if it gets wet. My glasses are another story. I should have brought my glasses cloth. And we're right next to the train station. The train station is literally right there. Buildings and stuff. So, yeah, we're gonna go through here and see what's popping at this market. I will come back when we get to the market because we don't really know where it is yet. We just know it's in this area. And it's cold out here and I'm irritated. I thought it was gonna be warm now, but apparently spring is just not here yet. So we're just cold, like, and wet. I'm very much over it. So we think this is it. It's called Shopping City or Shopping Town. Look at those shops and stuff. It smells like food. My luggage and stuff. Definitely, you know, shopping. Got the wigs, you know. Not the wigs. Some food. Very much underground market at this point. Not the teddy. It's huge. How big? Shoes, jewelry. Not a price. Not the Gucci. Not the Gucci. The Frosty Laton. Y'all seen that? The Frosty Laton. Child. I can't call it. Can't do it. Not the Frosty Laton. The Versace. Versace. Very much so a knockoff market. I can't wait. And these banners. I'm almost too tall to fit underground. So basically it's a long hallway with clothes in it and shoes in it. And like nail salons. A pillow. To craft. Not the coffin. Arts and crafts. That's nice. Little kid clothes. The bedazzles. A flower shop. Who is coughing? It's not about. They're coughing too much for me. Dream catchers. Those are nice. Look at it. Look at the dream catcher. It's so sparkly. Pretty. Looks like a craft shop. Ooh, they have like little dogs. They like made them out of paper, I think. More bags. And then glasses. Like a seating area, I guess. Now it's like a little cafe. Drink. And then that's it. Unless we go upstairs and go out. You stabbed me in my leg. But I'll come back whenever we go to the next part. Alright, so we're back in another part of the market. Fruits and vegetables, blanket. I don't know what else. It's just like blah blah right now. It's not really anything dramatic or spectacular. Got like cut up meat in there. What the heck? Popcorn and stuff. Got like a lot of these things like popcorn and corn punches and all that type of stuff. That's like really popular here. Got chicken on the rotisserie. Monsters are gone. Eggs with shrimp on it. Alright. Clothes. I don't know why it looks like kind of dead in here. Bags and stuff. Yeah, it is nothing really. It's so neat. All the traditional outfits. They look nice. The underwear and stuff. I'm guessing. Yo. I don't know, it's kind of dead over here, so we just walking through and like looking at what they have and stuff. Looking, child, what is that?
That looks like wild onions.
And fruit and stuff. Look at huge. She got cabbage over there and trash cans and baskets and stuff. I mean, most markets here have like good prices for like stuff that you would get at stores and stuff, but it'll be like a little bit cheaper. So, and then they have restaurants. And then we got to the end. But I'll check back in with y'all whenever we go do something else. Boom. So yeah, it was okay experience, not the worst. The bagel.
Takes your temperature, give you hand sanitizer.
Okay, so I got back in the car. I'm in the back seat. My glasses fogged up. Love that for us. People blowing the horn because they're back there at the train station acting crazy. But I got this thing. Ball.
What was that thing you were just eating?
It's red bean paste
Mmm.
and walnut.
It's like a walnut donut.
I don't.
Kind of like peanut butter.
You want a little snack to eat?
It's good.
You don't
It's just
want
like a
a
peanut
snack?
butter ball. Not spectacular. Kind of dry.
Oh,
But it tastes good though.
Don't send me an invite because I'll go to the raid. You know, I was down in the basement there.
Alright guys, so we made it to E-Mart, but I'm not gonna go in though because it's like super packed and it's raining and just I'm honestly kind of ready to go. to go home. And I didn't have anything that I needed to get in there, so I just didn't want to expose myself to that or have to go and deal with all these people in here. So my parents just went in to get what they were going to get. And I mean, I think we're gonna go home after this. We've been like all over the place today, so it's crazy. Went to that bakery, and then we were trying to find that market. And then, okay, after the market, we were driving and we found a huge other part of the market. So that part was not the full part of the market. That's gonna be it for today's video. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the post notification bell so you can get notified when I drop videos. And duh, you know you want to, like, hello, you know you want to know when I drop a video. So go ahead and hit post notification bell and go ahead and subscribe, you know, do what you gotta do. So yeah, peace out, y'all.